3D printing continues to evolve at a rapid pace, with new advancements happening all the time. Here are a few of the latest innovations that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Bioprinting for complex tissues. Researchers are making significant progress in bioprinting, a technique that uses 3D printing to create living tissues and organs. This has the potential to revolutionize medicine by allowing us to create transplantable organs and tissues for patients in need. For example, recent breakthroughs include 3D printed hand with bones, ligaments and tendons, and printing of vascular cell structures in zero gravity. Faster and cheaper metal printing. Metal 3D printing has traditionally been a slow and expensive process. However, new techniques such as light-based printing are making it faster and more affordable. This could open up new applications for metal 3D printing in industries such as aerospace and automotive. Multi-material printing. New 3D printers are being developed that can print with multiple materials at the same time. This allows for the creation of objects with complex structures and properties. For instance, HP's multi-jet infusion technology can use different materials within a single print job. 3D printing with new materials. Researchers are constantly developing new materials that can be used for 3D printing. These materials include everything from metals and plastics to concrete and even food. 3D ice printing is being explored for creating templates for artificial blood vessels. Self-healing printed objects. Scientists are developing 3D printing techniques that can create objects that can heal themselves when damaged. This could have a wide range of applications, from self-healing phone cases to 3D printed stents that can adapt to a patient's anatomy. These are just a few examples of the latest innovations in 3D printing. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more amazing things in the future. Things that will make you say, "I want that."